Recovering your old Multibit wallet? It's possible. Multibit Classic and HD wallets can still be restored even years later. For Multibit Classic, locate your wallet files on your computer, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Open the app, export your private keys, and keep them secure. If you've forgotten your password, consider using recovery tools or professional services like cryptorecovers.com. For Multibit HD, find your wallet file, unlock it, and export your seed phrase. That seed phrase is crucial for restoring your wallet in other apps like Electrum. If you can't remember your password, search your notes or try familiar patterns. Still locked out? Tools like BTC Recover can help, or let the experts handle it. Remember, multi-bit wallets have limitations, no SegWit support or dynamic fees, but you can still access your funds and transfer them to modern wallets. Once you recover your wallet, export your keys or seed phrase and move your Bitcoin to a better supported wallet. Don't leave your funds in outdated software. Recovering your old multi-bit wallet? It's possible. Multibit Classic and HD wallets can still be restored even years later.